So we got our special order shower pan delivered. This is made by KBRS. See, I'll get you a little. And this is a one-piece shower pan that's made for tile, and it's completely waterproof. And this is it's got the curb built into it, and it's got an extra layer of PVC board on top that's built in for shower door installation, so it'll handle the weight. And this is some sort of waterproofing membrane that they build them. It's like fiberglass and foam, and it's all molded together. And I had this one custom made. It's a little more expensive, but it's bigger than the standard. It's 6 foot long and 4 feet wide. I think the biggest one they make standard is 5 feet long and 4 feet wide. So I wanted it just a little bit longer. And it's got the slope. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got the slope built in on all directions going right to the drain. And the drain location I selected based on the center of the shower, and there's going to be a bench back here. So with that bench installed, the floor space, the drain is centered on that. And all you do is you install it with, once you have it where you want it, you lift it up and you put a coat of thin set on the floor, and you just stick this in the thin set and put some weight on it, and it should be dry in like whatever, 24 hours, however long thin set takes to dry. So today I'm going to frame up a wall. There's going to be a false wall here. That way the plumbing is not in the exterior wall, and this will be insulated, and then this false wall, or whatever you want to call it, that's where the plumbing will be. So it's going to space the tub out, or the shower pan out 3.5 inches there. And then back here there's going to be a short vertical wall, goes all the way to the ceiling, and that wall is going to house a vent pipe that goes from basically the whole bathroom, and it'll run from the toilet to the shower and then pick up all the other drains, and that's going to go through the ceiling up there. And so that wall is only going to be about 10 inches, and it's going to drop down to 42 inches high, and that's going to come out 36, and then another 34 inches here, so like a knee wall. And then it'll have a glass enclosure along with a glass door. So I'm going to get started framing these walls in. I got to get this window out of here and get it framed and sheetrocked inside. And so I got my work cut out for me today. I got all of the old siding off, got that cleaned up, and so that's where we're at. Let's get started. So the reason I turned those two studs flat on the end here is so when I stand it up, it's where the shower door is going to mount. So I have a nice flat surface to mount through the tile and everything. So you'll get a better picture when I stand it up. But I got to stand it up, and then I can attach the top plate. This is going to be a single top plate. It's not structural, so double plate's not required. So let me see if I can get that stood up. I'm going to screw a scrap piece to the back side underneath them, so it'll pick up as one piece. everything looks level and plumb. Go ahead and screw it in. That ain't going nowhere. Looks like we got some storms rolling in. Anyway, I'll show you what I've done here on the outside. Got all the fascia board up and nailed. Turned out pretty nice. I made me a temporary exterior door for contractors to go in and out of. Eventually that'll be closed up. That's where the closet, the master closet is. Still got to put the drip edge on and get that taped up. I got that sheetrock in. I just got a couple of screws in it for right now. I'm going to go back in the house and finish screwing it in. But yeah, now I can frame in my shower wall. Shower wall is going to be somewhere coming out right here, so that shower pan will determine where the wall is. I got the false wall in yesterday. That turned out pretty nice. Some of this old junk out of here. Yeah, I think that'd wrap it up for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.